Black holes are the most mysterious and terrifying objects in the universe. They have no surface, no solid ground, and no escape once you get too close. But what would actually happen if you fell into one? Today, on Cosmic Frontier, we take a journey into the unknown, into a place where the laws of physics break down and reality itself begins to dissolve. Our journey begins far from the black hole, where everything looks calm. From a distance, a black hole is invisible. You can only detect it by watching how it pulls on nearby stars or how it distorts the light around it. But as you start to fall closer, the true horror appears. The first thing you'd notice is the incredible gravitational pull. Even from thousands of kilometers away, you would feel a force dragging you forward stronger than anything you've ever experienced. Your spacecraft's engines wouldn't be able to fight it. You're being pulled toward the event horizon, the point of no return. As you approach this invisible boundary, time itself begins to behave strangely. To someone watching from a safe distance, it looks like you're slowing down. Your movements appear sluggish, your clocks tick slower, and your voice stretches out into a deep, distorted echo. The closer you get to the event horizon, the slower you appear, until eventually you freeze. To an outside observer, you never actually fall in. You fade, stretch, and disappear, frozen in time at the edge of the black hole. But that's only what they see. Your experience is very different. Inside your spacecraft, your clocks run normally. You feel no slowdown. You cross the event horizon without noticing anything special. There is no flash, no sound, no wall. Just a smooth glide into darkness. But once you're inside, the real nightmare begins. The gravitational force pulling on your feet is far stronger than the pull on your head. This difference in gravity stretches your body, pulling you longer and thinner. Scientists call this spaghettification. It sounds ridiculous, but it's brutally real. Your body would be stretched into a long strand of atoms as you fall deeper into the black hole. You wouldn't survive this. Nothing can survive this. But let's imagine your consciousness could somehow keep going, just to understand what comes next. As you fall toward the center, space becomes twisted in ways the human mind can barely comprehend. You're no longer falling in a straight line. Space and time swap roles. Down doesn't mean down anymore. It means towards the future. And in this warped reality, every path you take leads you closer to the singularity. The singularity is the heart of the black hole, a single point where all the mass is crushed to infinite density. Here, the laws of physics completely break. We have no equations to describe what happens, not Einstein, not quantum mechanics. Nothing we know can explain this place. Some theories say you're crushed into nothing, an instant end. Others propose something far stranger. One idea is that the singularity could be a gateway to another universe, a bridge linking two cosmic regions we can't normally reach. These hypothetical tunnels are called wormholes. They may collapse instantly, or they may not. If they don't, falling into a black hole might send you somewhere unimaginable. Another possibility is even more bizarre. The universe might create a copy of you at the singularity, not your body, your information, your entire existence, encoded in the fabric of space-time. It sounds like science fiction, but some physicists believe this is how the universe preserves information that enters a black hole. But we simply don't know. And that's what makes black holes so terrifying. They are the ultimate mystery, objects that challenge our understanding of space, time, gravity, and reality itself. If you fell into one, your journey would end long before you reached the center. But your story, your information, might live on in ways we don't yet understand. Black holes are not just cosmic monsters. They are gateways to the limits of physics, and perhaps even the birthplaces of new universes. And somewhere out there, hidden in the darkness, are answers waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this journey into the heart of a black hole, make sure to subscribe to Cosmic Frontier. There are countless mysteries still waiting for us in the universe.